𝐴𝐚mohcardealer over here, and this right here is Porsche 718 Cayman GTS. One and only unit on the market, very low mileage, and fully serviced and maintained at the official dealer. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this beauty. In terms of design, this is absolute perfection. I'm really in love with this factory original color. Super nice. This is not your regular Cayman. This is a GTS powered by a 2.5 liter turbocharged engine producing a lot of ponies. Mid-engine, all power is sent to the rear wheels. Of course, this car comes with a few upgrades. Of course, the tinted headlights and taillights was an option from Porsche. We also have a bigger brake kit compared to a regular Cayman in front and behind. And from behind, this car just looks so super fierce. Just look at this diffuser. Absolutely fantastic looking. Of course, it comes with a Porsche Sport exhaust as well, and this massive carbon fiber wing. Such a beauty to look at. And now that we've seen the outside, let's go in. Alright, we're inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very beautiful, sporty cabin. First things first, we have this 3-spoke steering wheel, which is leather with carbon fiber. Very nice, very sporty, of course. With pedal shifters, they are nice and metal, multifunctional. And over here we have your different mode selection, as you can see. Sport, Sport Plus, Individual, and Normal. Fantastic looking speedometer cluster. I really like this analog design with the GTS logo right there to remind you what a beast you are driving. Of course, it comes with a Sport Chrono package as well. Touchscreen infotainment screen, very nice. By the way, this thing also comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even had been fitted with reverse camera. Those of you familiar with Porsches might know that this is not an option on every one of them. Alright, your aircon controls are here, simple, nice and intuitive. Over here we have for your sport exhaust, your Porsche Sport suspension, and all those sort of things. The seats are very lovely. They are leather with Alcantara, and GTS logo is stitched onto the headrest. The whole ceiling, your roof liner, is all Alcantara. It is very nice, very super sporty, very super luxurious. Alright, guys, have another look. Alright guys, you see this face? This is the smile you're gonna have when you buy this, because video does not do justice for this car. I mean, it looks fantastic, but what really makes it special is the drive, and the drive is phenomenal. Alright? On COE edition, you still got 1 year and 9 months left, so you can buy it with the existing COE, or you have an option to buy it with the new 10-year COE. This one up to you. As already mentioned, one and only unit on the market. Condition is fantastic, full Porsche servicing history, and very low mileage. And you'll know what to do. Call me, and we'll give you a good deal.